Hello friends, welcome to Mrs. Kapoor's story time. Today we are going to read a very interesting book called Roadwork by Sutton and illustrated by Brian Lovelock. So let's vroom vroom. Plan the road, mark it on the map. Hammer in the marking pegs, ping, bang, tap. Move the earth, dig and cut and push. Clear a pathway for the road, squeak, boom, whoosh. Load the dirt, scoop and swing and drop. Slam it down into the truck, bump, whoop, whop. Tip the stones, lift and slide and dump. Lay the groundwork for the road, crash, roar, thump. Pack the ground, roll one way, then back. Make the roadbed good and hard, clank, crunch, crack. Seal the road, make it hot and squishy. Spread the sticky tar and stones, sploshy, splashy, splishy. Roll the tar, make it firm and flat. Squash it down and press it out, squish, spluck, splat. Stop the work, time to break for lunch. Sandwiches and drinks and fruit, gulp, slurp, crunch. Mark the road, give the paint a squirt. Paint the lines in nice and straight, whiz, splop, splurt. Raise the signs, drag and hoist and ram. Force them down into their holes, thwack, whoop, wham. Light the road, no one wants a crash. Test the lights and watch them shine, flick, flack, flash. Plant the trees, dig and stamp and lug. Water them to help them grow, drip, drop, glug. Tidy up, lift and load and sweep. Drive away those big machines, swish, chug, beep. Shout hooray, the work is done. Ready now? Let's zoom. Drive along your brand new road, toot, honk, vroom. If you enjoyed this amazing book, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Till then, you guys have a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.